No, you're good.
But you're filming my property, so why are you doing that?
I don't need help.
I don't want you filming my property. You haven't asked for permission. I don't know what you're doing here. I don't know why you're filming my stuff. I know you were over there this morning and the police told you to leave. You obviously left and came over here. So do I need to call them again? Or do you want to explain what you're doing? No?
No, I don't need any help, so...
Okay, so then I'm going to call the police.
That's what you want to do.
Yeah, I know. I saw him over there by Green Valley this morning. The police talked to him and he left there and he came over here and he's standing outside my gate and he's not giving me anything about what he's doing, why he's here. He's just saying he doesn't want help and he won't clarify what his purpose is. I've asked him to stop filming. He won't do that. He just keeps fighting.
Go ahead and continue on.
No, I don't plan to move.
Just go ahead and get back to work, dude.
Yeah, if you don't mind, just dial 911 for this. Sure, thanks. I don't plan on moving this to my property. I'll probably stay exactly where I'm at until you can give me an explanation as to what you're doing and why you're doing it.
That's cool. I can move around you.
Just keep following you, man.
You're gonna keep following me?
Yep.
Why?
I have this gentleman that won't give me his name or an explanation as to what he is or what he's doing at the edge of my property, filming onto my property, and he continues to not answer or clarify what's going on. I saw him over outside Green Valley this morning, and then your police officers went over there and talked to him, and he left, and now he's over here, and he won't explain what he's doing or why he's doing it, and he's just standing here.
Well...
Sure, thanks. You can't record people without their permission in California, and you are doing exactly that. And you won't give me an answer as to why. If I understood why, we could have a conversation about it.
Well, you're mistaken, man. You don't know what you're talking about, actually.
I don't know. Hi.
No.
Yeah, I have a gentleman standing outside of my property right here at the fence line filming my employees, my work operations, and he's refusing to give me any clarity as to what he's doing, why he's doing it, his name. Right here at Yeah, I mean, if he was willing to talk to me and tell me what he's doing, we won't be having this conversation, but he won't do that. Yeah, he's about 5'9", maybe 180 pounds. Hispanic probably, I'm assuming. I don't know, he hasn't told me anything.
I'm 200 plus, bro.
Black shirt, button-down Dickies, light blue jeans with Vans. Black Dickies, button-down shirt, light blue jeans, and white and black Vans.
Damn, got the slim shirt or what?
Yeah, he's filming my truck, he's filming my employees working here,
So I got this guy here calling the police. He's wearing a brown jacket. Looks like he's got Levi's boots.
Nope,
got a
just
hat.
right outside the line, but you can't film without permission.
There's a lot of zippers all over his jacket. The hat, I can't really say. He's talking on a phone right here. Don't give out your personal information.
Nope, I don't see a vehicle. He looks like he walked here. He's got a baggie where he clearly carried his filming equipment over him.
Looks like a gray shirt, maybe a black faded shirt underneath the jacket. Oh, with the pocket logo. Yeah. Looks like he's got an earpiece in.
No, he doesn't seem to be threatening anybody. He's just not explaining what he's doing, why he's doing it, and he's filming, and I have employees that are upset about
this guy wants me to explain what I'm doing and why, or he's just going to continue to block me.
Do you want to try to explain what you're doing and tell me why you're here?
Nah.
No.
You already called the police, man. You can explain it to them why you felt the need to, you know.
I felt the
don't know
need
what
to
to
because I
tell
saw
you.
you over there and the police were over there too because it was the same problem over there. They've called and talked to their neighbors already.
What'd they tell you?
Can I help you? Hi, Sergeant. How you doing? Good, good. Did you get the phone call? Yeah. Same guy that was standing outside of Green Valley earlier this morning around 7:30. I saw somebody over there talking to him, and then he left and came over here.
Voluntarily.
Yeah. Same gentleman.
Voluntarily left. I could be over there all day.
I don't know who he is, his name, nothing. I kept asking him, and he says no.
Got the hands free going? Oh. Yeah, same one. He's talking to the same sergeant that was being a dick over there. No one ran me off, huh?
Even people? I thought California was like...
Even people?
What's it called? A double consent state where both people have to be consenting to be recorded. So because he's standing on that side of the property line, it's free game. And if he's 2 feet this way, it wouldn't be. Wow. Okay.
Oh, hey, we captured the moment of education right there. Good. I'm glad everyone could be here to witness that.
Green Valley called.
Oh.
And told people that this guy was there and to call the PD. So I was like, okay.
He said, oh.
Yeah, my employees are complaining about it, that's why I called.
Chris, Jeff, Charles.
Yeah, he wasn't telling me either. He's obviously streaming, so I'll look it up and see what he's streaming to do.
There you go.
Okay.
Tell him to
Appreciate it.
lower the volume over there.
All right, thank you so much. Bye. Yeah, the trucks can't. There's no
Tell
volume
him
control on the
lower
horns.
it. Take it down. Down a notch.
I'll give you my card so you have my information for the work.
I mean,
if you're interested.
If you want to, sure.
Well,
But,
he says that's what you're doing, is just gathering information, so I might as well give you the information. There's no point in me trying to stop you from getting it.
There you go. I mean, I'm glad you know now, right? I can do this.
Yeah, he got the scoop from you. I just wish you could have just told me rather than not telling me.
But the thing is, people come up asking, demanding information, giving false statements about the law. Like, you kind of just got to learn, you know? Like, it's after, like...
Can I help you?
Yeah.
He called back and then hung up. I was wrong. You can record because you're there.
Right.
Had you been 2 feet this way, it would have been illegal what you're doing.
Nope.
It still isn't necessarily culturally acceptable what you're doing. And there's a difference between legalities and cultural standards.
Culturally, like
people do normally get offended when random people come around and just start filming them without explaining who they are and what they're doing. That is a pretty normal thing.
That's
a
normal?
pretty normal reaction.
We should unnormalize that. That sounds ridiculous to me.
That I shouldn't get offended if somebody's recording me without
I mean,
explaining
when
what
you
they're
walk
doing and
down
why
the
they're
street
doing it.
anywhere, there's cameras everywhere, dude. You got dash cams on vehicles.
Right, but I give out
you got
statements as to why
cameras.
that's there, and I have to notify everyone, and they have to agree to it. And if they don't agree to it, I can't use
You
it.
got signs that say surveillance.
Yeah.
Cameras everywhere, dude.
But there's explanations behind those. You weren't explaining yourself. There is a difference there.
There is no explanation behind every camera.
That's there for surveillance purposes, for security.
Okay.
We explain it to all of our employees. Had you walked into my office and asked me, I would have told you.
Okay.
You didn't do that.
Nope.
I came out here and asked you. You refused to give me any information, expecting me to just take it for granted that you were filming. I have no idea why. That's why I called.
Okay, man.
I'll give you my card, though, so you can know
I don't
what
want your
we're
card.
about. All right.
I'll just throw it in the stack of cards I already got, man.
I'm not trying to be rude to you. I'm just trying to get information and understand what you're doing.
I would like you to understand and be cool with it, but, you know, whatever. You don't have
If
to.
you don't explain, how am I supposed to?
Because there's no need for me. You're not a person of authority. It might be, insensitive, but...
You're right. It's insensitive, and you're being rude. Whether you believe it or not, you are being rude. Because that retort to a normal question
No.
is a rude response. And I'm not coming at you
if you want to consider it rude,
cuss or F yourself or any of that stuff. I'm just saying, hey man, what are you doing here and why are you doing it?
What if I'm doing an investigation on your company and I'm not allowed to tell you that? Would that be rude?
Just say that.
I don't need to, but
I can't
you're not getting
why
it.
I'm here,
No one needs
what
to
I'm
explain to
doing
you. You know what I mean? You're walking up to a stranger in public and asking them what they're doing.
I haven't gone into public.
I'm in public. You're walking up to a stranger that's in public, like I said, and you're asking questions, demanding information, calling the police on them. That's rude.
Respond.
That's rude to me. So
you didn't respond, man.
You're not getting it. I don't need to respond. All right, man.
Have a nice day.
You too, dude. Dang, he needs a nap or something. It's too early. This guy's covered his face. They're still tripping out a little bit. Triforce. What up, Arturo? Iron Wolf. He's a little delicate. Oh, he's a fragile one. He's a fragile little flower. Oh. He just said if he steps on the property, call the police. It's okay there, little fella. I'm sorry your feelings got hurted. Dang, you need some warm milk and a comfy blanket or what? I know, Art, right? Dang, doing big things.
You got a live, bro?
Huh?
You got a live?
Alive? Yeah, I am live. You're live right now. Oh, I think you said you have a life. Oh, yes. But I'm also live too. This guy's creeping. Look at this guy. On your cell phone while operating a vehicle, that's illegal. This is a section. I need to memorize that PC, the vehicle code for operating a vehicle while on your cell phone. Dang it, guys. Out here teaching again. Shit, I might as well have a degree by now. Educating all these folks. Do I got my bachelor's yet or what, dude? Bachelor's in street education or what? I don't know. Oh, man.